Nyumba ithatu cia gukoma hamwe na irathi ithano niithukangirio ni mwaki uria tuthukire thukuru-ini wa anake wa Kisumu mathaa-ini ma kiroko. Kurerikana mwaki uyu wambiriirie nyumba-ini imwe ya gukomwo na gucoka gutherema nginyagia irathi-ini na guthukangia indo cia mamirioni ma mbeca.
There are several classrooms that have been burnt and 2 dormitories. But we are yet to account for the damages so far.
Ona gutuika mwaki uyu nduri uramenyeka kihumo kiaguo, gutiri mundu ugurarire mutino-ini uyu, gukuruhonge rwa thima mwaki rugitogerio ni kwihika kuhoria mbere ya utheremete na guthukangia indo makiria.
Sasa tumejaribu sisi kama wananchi, tumetoa bag zini sanduku za zote.
Kurumirira hathara iria yumanire na mwaki uyu, Minister wa Githomo Prof George Magoha ni ugite aciari ni mekurugamirira ngarama ya indo iria ciothe ithukangitio ari ni hamwe na gwaka weru nyumba cia gukomwo ni arutwo o undu na irathi.
Any school that allows the students to be banned, do you expect to see me there? I'm looking at you and you are now not looking at me. You see, if you choose to ban this school, I have so many other schools that I can waste time on. The problem is with the parents.
Magoha urio kwaragia ri county-ini ya Mombasa hindi ya guthurima waki wa irathi cia junior secondary ni ugite thukuru nyingi icinagwo tamu-ini ya keri niguo arutwo metheme gwika igeranio riu akiuga no nginyanagia igerio ciikwo ta uria cibatie.
You must not be wise because we'll do exams under the trees. That's how it's going to be. Because if you are mad, why don't you start by banning the house of your father? I don't bother about children banning schools. If you ban a school, you will rebuild it. And you will do your exams under a tree or even under a toilet. It doesn't matter, but you will still do the exam.
Hari ndumiriri-ini yake gavana muthure wa county ya Kisumu Professor Nyang'nyong'o ni oreti andu a wendi mwega kwiyumiria niguo guteithiriria haria mangihota hari gucokereria riri wa thukuru uyu na rua ta uria kwahotekeka, guku akiuria maabitha borithi gutafanio thuthuria wa naihenya wa gukurana kiria gicungiriirie gututhuka kwa mwaki uyu uria urehete hathara nene. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.